sa bazaar. Ang hirap na naman bumili. Ayan, nakikita niyo na ba guys? Ayan o, pupunta ako dyan. Haul natin guys kung anong binili ko. So ayan guys yung binili natin. So we have, of course, hindi mawawala ang inihaw, barbecue, isaw, and blood, dugo. And then we also have malaking siomai. Siomai to me, diba? Siomai. May fried yan, pinag-half-half ko, fried and steamed. Tapos we have juice. Lemonade, ewan ko kung alin dito yung lemonade honey, peach, and lemonade orange. So, I guess this is the orange. Oh yeah, I don't know. Depends the taste. So, that's it guys. Let's eat. Haha, bye-bye.